going on, guys? It's Ethan Heinrich, and today I wanted to show you guys ways that you can fix your credit or build it if you haven't started already. We all know that one of the most important things to do when you're looking to buy a house is have established credit. Having a good credit score is important in a lot of aspects in our lives, like getting a house, renting an apartment, or getting a car. In order to get that credit score, though, you have to have a credit card. In order to get a credit card, you have to have a credit score. It's a really terrible system, but there's ways to get through it. If you're first starting your credit score, the first thing you need to do, especially if it's like the day you're turning 18, you need to get a secured credit card, and I personally recommend the Discover.it secured card. You put a secure payment down of $200, and that means you get a $200 credit line, which can be increased later if you have a good credit score about 6 months down the line. The first step to building a credit score is applying for the first credit card, and you should use that Discover card I just talked about. But as you're getting that card, you should also apply for the Pedal One card. It doesn't use traditional credit finding methods to get a credit score. It actually uses your banking history to give you an allotted credit line, and from there you can get even more credit from that. You need to make everyday purchases on both of those cards and pay them off as soon as they hit the account and are posted. Really important to do that so that you can establish a credit history fast, and then you can get on to your next credit card. The higher your credit score, the better access you have to better cards that will give you more rewards and save you more money. If you are an Apple user, the next card I recommend you get is the Apple credit card. The Apple card doesn't have any fees, has a great user interface. You get unlimited daily cash back. You get 2% daily cash back on Apple Pay purchases, and for a little bit you'll get 6% back on Apple purchases. That's insane. And it's made out of a great material and it looks sick. If you're not an Apple user or you're ready to get your next card, I recommend getting the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This Freedom Unlimited card, you get a $200 sign-on bonus when you spend $500 on the first 3 months of your account opening. That's money you're probably going to be spending anyway, and you get paid for it. It's great. You also get 5% on travel purchases. You get 3% on drugstore purchases, 3% on dining at restaurants, and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. There's nothing to hate about this card. Always remember to pay your purchases as soon as possible, though. You don't want to be paying extra money from interest just because you forgot a payment. Check those apps every day just to make sure that nothing's posted yet. Your number one edge to gaining financial freedom is going to be having a good credit score. You can use it to leverage so many different things. Right, now that you've built up your credit over the last 6 to 12 months, what can you do with it? Well, you can secure rates on houses that are at all-time lows right now. You can get a car at record low rates. You can buy an investment property and rent it out to other people and increase your cash flow every month. That's the goal of this. We want financial freedom. Anyways, guys, I hope this helps increase your credit score in the future and you get one step closer to financial freedom because of it. If you want to check out a free Discord server with access to lots of financial information, click the link in the description, and I'll link all the applications to the cards in the description. Have a good day, guys.